Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the theater mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the select button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the theater masks. And this is the theater mode icon. And if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. Here we have the description what the mode does, and basically it mutes all of the notifications, disables the wake on rise, wrist rise, basically wake on tapping, dims the screen brightness basically so it won't be bright, and basically anything that could disturb you during the movie or maybe theater play or something like that. To enable the mode, you need to tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled immediately. You can tell by the screen getting a lot dimmer, it's basically barely visible. Anything on the screen is barely visible. And if you go back to watch face, I don't know if you can see it, but at the top on the watch face there is this theater mode icon, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you open the quick panel, the theater mode icon is highlighted by blue color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, you need to open the quick panel and tap again on the theater mode icon, and the mode will be disabled immediately. And that's how you enable and how you disable the theater mode icon, theater mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.